Yeah, Glenn and Lou, just a short while ago, the Orange County Board of Supervisors unanimously passed a resolution in response to Governor Newsom's modified stay-at-home order, though that resolution may not have gone as far as some of the speakers at the meeting may have wanted it to.
I want to know what can I do in order to be open and don't lose my business that, like I tell you, almost 20 years here.
Please do what you can to open up this county. Find a loophole, openly defy the governor, make it a $1 fine to be open. Whatever you need to do to open up this county is what we need to do.
We'll tell you more about that resolution in a moment. First, let's look at some of the new numbers that came out during the meeting. If you're with us at 1 o'clock, you notice some of those numbers have changed. Specifically, the number of available ICU beds has dipped here in Orange County below 15%. But one thing to look out for on that graph you're looking at, on the bottom, you see the blue line going up sharply in the right. Those are basically the number of hospitalizations going up sharply in the last couple of weeks or so. But if you look below it, the violet line, that is the number of people in the ICU, not going up as sharply. And we still, even though you see the numbers dipped below 15% availability, have still not hit what our peak was back in July as far as ICU hospitalizations. As far as overall hospitalizations, we're well above what the record was back in July. Now, as for that resolution, what the Board of Supervisors are asking essentially is they're asking the governor to give them local control over the coronavirus crisis.
Governor, give us the responsibility. We will do you proud because we have already demonstrated we can do this.
Doing things on a localized basis makes a lot more sense. We need a balanced approach, and the heavy-handed, one-sided approach that's coming from Sacramento right now in dealing with COVID-19 has really been problematic.
Now, in some new information that came out just this afternoon and during that meeting, we have some information on vaccines in Orange County. The county announced that they will be getting their first batch of vaccines, more than 25,000 doses, next week. That batch is scheduled to go out to healthcare workers first. For now, reporting live in Santa Ana, I'm Chip Yost, KTLA 5 News.